So usually I need both hands to do my liner, but with this liner I don't need so far. Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Julia and I do makeup tutorials and reviews, and for today's video I have actually a review. So now to start with a small story how I come to review this product. Recently on this Saturday I was invited to a Sephora VIP event. Basically, if you don't know, all of you, I'm living in Czech Republic, and here on Sephora you have the opportunity, if you are VIP member, to register online on several VIP events. What is a VIP event? This is basically an event hosted by a certain brand, and you can go on that day when the VIP event is hosted, and you can try the new products, everything you want to try from that particular brand. You have the opportunity to have done your makeup by a professional makeup artist that is exclusively working for that brand. This is a great opportunity, especially for me, which I'm all the time searching and trying new and exciting products. And on this weekend there was a benefit event. In the past I have been on a similar event hosted by Chanel. I have that event included in one of my previous videos. I will link that video down below. But this weekend there was a benefit event, so I was really happy to have the opportunity to try their products, because I'm really in love with many benefit products, starting from face, brows, even lips. So after I was trying several products, I also purchased some of them with my own money. I wasn't giving anything for free. Actually, I got a product for free because there was a action that if you purchase 2 or more benefit products, you can get a free sample or free deluxe size product. So from this reason, after I tried, I decided to purchase this product that it's quite new on benefit. It's called Roller Liner Eyeliner. This product, it's their newest liner, their newest eyeliner. I didn't try any other eyeliner from Benefit before, so this was the first product that I had the opportunity to try, and moreover I was able to try it myself while my makeup was done by the lovely lady Clara from Benefit Brow Bar. So I will insert here the picture with me, how I was looking after my makeup was applied by this incredible lady, and especially how wonderful brows she was able to do with what I own. Returning to our product, after I tested, I decided that I want to purchase this roller liner, just because I'm searching all the time for a good liquid liner. I go through them really quickly. And also I want my liner to be matte, easy to apply, long lasting, and of course to be not so pain in the ass to remove it. So this particular eyeliner is coming in 2 shades. They have black and brown. I decided to take the black version just because I'm not so fond of applying a brown liner on my eyes. Maybe because I'm using a black mascara, so this it makes sense that I want my liquid liner to be black as well. So this is claimed to be matte, true matte. 93% said it doesn't tug or drag on skin, and 91% said it stays put. Get matte, get iron. Roller liner glides on a natural looking fine line and quick dries to a deep dark true matte black. 24-hour waterproof. Okay, so I didn't know that is waterproof. Natural matte finish, won't fade, flake, bleed or smudge. This is in French. Precision felt tip, sharp control lines, super smooth, won't drag or jog. So this is how the packaging looks like. And you do get here 1.0 mils or 0.03 fluid ounces. This is in the shape of a pen. And it has a felt tip applicator, but is really flexible and glides on your skin. I know this because I was using it on the store. Of course, this is a new product, the one that I use it on the Sephora, so that one was a bit more faded, let's say like this. I was taking more time, especially on the second eye. It was taking me a little bit more time to do my line, but let's test it on our eyes. I will zoom you a bit. Oh man, I need to buy batteries for my remote because it's a bit not so handy to use my hand. So I have applied a bit of makeup, not so much. I have in my crease actually the Benefit Hoola bronzer that I also purchased with this liner, and on my lid I have the Makeup Geek eyeshadow in a shade Shima Shima. So this is the makeup that I'm wearing on my eyes. And now I will go and drag a line. Ooh. Guys, it's really easy. One swipe and it's done. And this is because it has a longer tip. But it's at the end it's really slim, so you can go in your innermost corner. And I usually don't want to make my line very thick, just because I don't have that much space on my lid, and a very thick line, it will take from my eye, it will close my eye, let's say like this. So I usually do a reasonable line. So usually I need second hand, I need both hands to do my liner, but with this liner I don't need so far. Especially when I'm doing my wing. So I think for the moment we are sticking like this. I will apply my liner on the other eye and I will come with the final conclusion. One tip: when I'm doing my first eye, I'm starting from the inner corner toward the outer corner. Once I have defined my wing, then I will go on the second eye and I will first define the wing, just to have it similar with the one that I already defined. Otherwise, if you are starting from here, you might not follow the same path, and your wing can be a little bit more asymmetrically. Okay, one thing that I've noticed is that it's already drying, so I don't know, maybe I should shake it or what to do. So maybe it wasn't the fact that that liner was old, it's just from after some point you need to do something, I don't know. So I put a cap and I'm shake it a bit.
Shake it, baby, shake it, go down to the ground. Shake it, baby, shake it, and wind down to the ground. Shake up the whole body and jump it all around. Hey, shake it, baby, shake it, go down to the ground. Shake it, baby, shake it.
And let's See, yeah, I think now it's juicy again. And from this reason, I smudge it a bit on this part. So you can see my wing is a bit bigger because now I'm trying to correct it. This is the final wing, the final line that I have on my eyes. I'm really satisfied with how it turned out. It's a bit longer than I'm usually wearing just because I had a problem on the left eye, so I have to elongate it a bit. So now I want to make the second one to be the same. But other than that, just keep in mind that if you are doing one eye, shake it a bit, put the cap and shake it, because the liquid in the top here, it tends to get dry. And just a comparison with my favorite liner for the moment. I used to love and use this liner for over 6 months. This is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. This is with the same kind of tip, just it is a brush. It's a felt tip, but it's from Brush Strokes. And this is a bit more slim, more precise. This down below, it is the Clinique one. And this line from the top, it is from the Benefit. So, they are quite similar. Just I find the Clinique one is not that matte, it's a bit more shiny. Of course, this is one of my favorite products and I'm loving it, and probably I will continue to repurchase, but now I can say that I found a new favorite. Okay, so this is how my eye makeup is looking after I apply the mascara. I'm really loving the way how my wing is looking like. Do I recommend this product? Well, if you are searching for a good, reliable, non-transferable and easy to apply liquid eyeliner, very black, true to the color, I definitely recommend you to try this roller liner eyeliner from Benefit. It's matte and easy to use. You can get one line from one swipe, basically. It's not smudging. I will show you at the end of the day how my eyes are looking, but I'm pretty sure it won't smudge. And this is how the liner looks after almost 11 hours of wearing. No smudging whatsoever. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll come back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow me on the social media, and I will see you on my next video. See you! Bye bye!